Happy Try It Tuesday, River Valley. Today, because it's getting nice out, we're gonna try to make ice cream at home. Not everybody has an ice cream maker at their house, but you can do it with some pretty simple ingredients that you can easily get at the grocery store. So the first thing you're gonna need is a large gallon size bag. You're also gonna need a quart size bag. You're gonna want ice. You can just use the ice that you get from your own freezer, but I got a bag because it was easier. You're gonna need granulated sugar, half and half, vanilla extract, salt. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna add ice to our bags. We're going to do about 3 cups of ice. It doesn't have to be perfect on this one. There's enough there to keep it cold. Okay, now we're going to just close these so they don't spill out. Got it. We're going to move on to our ice cream mixture. Okay, for our ice cream mixture, we're going to start with 1 cup of half and half. You're making me nervous, my friend. We're using half and half today, but we did this with heavy whipping cream one time, and it was really good too. So you could use that if you want it to be even thicker. Okay, next up, we're going to add in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, now when you seal the bag up now, you want to try to squeeze out as much of the air as you can. So try to get it partially sealed and then squeeze out the air without squeezing out your mixture. You don't want a lot of extra air in the bag. And get it sealed up. Okay, now we're gonna go back to our bag of ice. We're gonna add in some salt, because that salt's gonna help keep that ice mixture really cold. You're gonna use about 1/3 cup of salt. Start with Olivia's here. So he's gonna open his bag, other bag. Once you get your salt inside, you can carefully drop in your ice cream mixture. And seal the other bag. And now you're going to shake it. And you're probably going to need to shake for probably 7 to 10 minutes. So we're just going to let them shake for a little bit. So they've been shaking a long time. We're gonna check our ice cream to see if it's frozen. If you look at it now, you can see that it's pretty frozen. And so what we can do now is we'll go back inside and we'll maybe rinse the bag off with a little bit of cold water to make sure the salt gets off the outside. But we'll empty it into a bowl and then the kids will get to eat it. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday and hope you get a chance to give this a try.